Assalamualaikum. I'm Faysal Zaman, Managing Director, Penta Global. We are very delighted to be part of Excel Master 2020, which is organized by BUPFS Society. We understand that this program will help people to participate in the competition and really prove themselves that they're really future analysts for big data platform. The reason Excel is very important tools nowadays for organizations, and Excel is the fundamental for any analytical tools. So BUPFS Society, what they have actually organizing this program, which will be helpful for the people who will be the future analysts. Penta Global is last 5 years have been involved in the ICT business, especially in the big data platform and cybersecurity. We have seen that there is a lot of data inside organization and outside organization which needs to be processed for future business forecast, and at the same time analyze how we can make efficient uses of our resources and how we can plan for effective business. To analyze this business data, it starts with Excel, but obviously it ends up with a lot of tools which are important for business intelligence and also analytical platform. So that is why we think this program is very important to future leaders to understand why the need of Excel. On the same note, as we said that these big data that we have inside and outside organization which can be used for future business forecast, they are becoming very important for inside and outside organization, and protect this data, we need cybersecurity. And that is the other reason Penta Global is heavily focused on cybersecurity, to ensure this data is secured for organization and for the country. And as we say, Penta Global is heavily involved in this big data platform and cybersecurity. Right now we are working with financial institutions, government, semi-government and law enforcement agencies to use their big data, and on the same note, we are also helping them to secure the data through cybersecurity. We wish all the success Excel Maestros 2020, and we wish success of BUPFS Society.